So I am a 29-year-old teenager that just got their first apartment and I'm in it right now. Settled, I want to do my makeup and just talk to you guys how it has been. So this is the first time that I leave my parents' nest. I have been living with my mom. I was okay with it, but I was sharing a room with my 19-year-old brother. I'm 29. I just couldn't do that anymore. I did move in with my boyfriend to this apartment. We're gonna be together for 10 years now, and it was time coming. We needed to move in together. It was like something we needed, and we finally did it. I was so proud of ourselves because I was so scared. Such a big thing, and everything's so expensive. So being able to find a good apartment that you fell in love with at the price point that you liked, we got very lucky. When we moved the stuff, I was taking everything out of my room, and I realized that I had so many things for that little room that I had plus a closet. The fact that most of the stuff was mine. Also, I know I'm not the only one that was 29 and still live with their parents. It is expensive out here. I live in California, so it is really expensive to find an apartment here. For what they're giving you, it's like ridiculous. For my bronzer, I am going in with the Milk Makeup. This is in the shade Baked, and it is their matte bronzer. Super tiny, but it looks really good in the skin. What I'm excited about now is having my apartment and like really making it my home. That is something that I just crave. I always craved, because being stuck in one little corner of the room was not it. Having like a whole apartment to like decorate and just make it a vibe is my thing. So whenever my house is ready, I will show you guys how it looks because it's going to be super cute. Going in with this Milk Makeup, I'm gonna just pop that and I'm gonna add this to my cheek. I want to know in the comments, when did you guys get your first apartment? And tell me the feeling that you felt, because it is a weird feeling at first. I cried. And once I got the call that I got approved, I cried because it's something that like I'm scared but also very excited about, and I couldn't believe that I did it because I live in fear. I'm always scared. I I, I overthink everything. I have anxiety. I just can't do things. Adulting scares me. Doing this was like a really big deal for me. Anybody that knows me personally knows that like this is a huge step for my anxiety scaredy ass, because doing adult stuff is not my thing. And imagine living with your family members for that long, like your mom and stuff, and then having to leave the nest is like, now I don't have my mom with me. I mean, I could see her, but it's not the same. But now we have our privacy, which is good. Favorite powder, this is the Huda Beauty powder. I have the shade Pound Cake. So good. It makes like your skin look like blurred and beautiful. So good. Going in with this Give Beauty. This is their Painted Up and the shade Bouncing Shoes. I'm gonna just get this and then blend it all over the lid as a base. So the vibe that I am going for my apartment, it is like modern 70s. Like that's the vibe that I'm going for. And so far I am achieving that. It's looking really nice. I want to make sure that I get like that sense of like guys living in the house, but also adding a pop of color. So I feel like the modern 70s is like the vibe that would kind of blend me and my boyfriend together. And it's going to look so cute so far, and I'm so excited. Going in with this About Face, this is their Fluid Eye Paint in the shade Blue Monday. I want to add this to the inner corner. I want to add like a pop of color. So we're going to add it straight from the brush here. And then just add it to the inner corner like this. Now we're just going to blend that out so it doesn't look so harsh in the inner corners. Kind of want to blend this thing right inside. This is the Half Magic in the shade. I can't really read these. I don't know why they make them so hard to read. Guy Juice. And it looks like this. It is like a periwinkle color. Can't even explain it. We're gonna just add it right next to that blue and then blend it out. Use my Get Stone palette. This is the Stone palette. It has a bunch of shimmers and they're so good. I'm gonna add that. It's called Hollow Ghost. This shade right here. And I'm gonna just add it to my lid. It's just going to blend that in so nice. It looks so good. And then in. Oof, looks so good. So back talking about the apartment. So I am more of a maximalist. Like I like to put things in the walls. I just love going extra on my decor. And my boyfriend is the opposite. He's more like nothing really on the walls. He never really decorated his room or anything. And I'm like total opposite. So I need to find that balance for both because I want to make sure that he's happy with the place. But I know with my touch, he's going to be happy. Because I'm not trying to brag, but I feel like I have really good taste. I don't know if it's my Taurus moon in me, but I just know I'm going to have a good taste. Also, this mascara from Huda Beauty, so good, so good. For my lip liner, I'm using this one. This is from the Glamlite collection, the Hershey's collection. And it is my favorite. So good. And this is the final look, you guys. What do you guys think? Let me know about your apartment, like, stories. And what do you expect? I don't know what to expect. I'm hoping it's good things. So this is the vibe. What do you guys think? Thank you guys for hearing my chat. If you guys made it all over here, you guys are the best. And if you're not following me, follow me.